So we are on our way to go see if our hole was fully dug. We came yesterday, it's February 3rd, and yesterday we had our pre-construction meeting. And when we came over yesterday morning, they were finishing up the hole next to us and like what looked like starting our lot. He came back in the afternoon and they were starting to dig our hole. So we're coming back before I go into work this morning to see how much progress they've made. Hopefully it's fully dug, but we shall see. We were really surprised that they even dug our hole, or I should say I was surprised. I didn't think they were gonna do it at all. I thought it was gonna take probably until next week to get it done. So coming yesterday was definitely a surprise to see that they had already almost started. So exciting things happening over here. We have our design center meeting on March, it's like the last weekend in March, right?
It's like the 22nd.
The 28th, yeah. So our first one's the 27th. We have 2 of them. And then the next one, I think is the 3rd. They're both, yeah. So we have 2 design meetings, one to like pick everything out, and then the second one you go back, finalize everything. So we'll be bringing you guys along the whole journey, so it'll be exciting. Once we get there, I'll show you guys what our lot looks like. All right, you guys, we have a hole. It's so interesting to look at, isn't it? Not really, but it's so exciting.
Do you want to get in our hole? That's what she said.
Go down in it. This will eventually be our basement. So crazy. We are currently on the way to the house right now. One of my friends actually sent me this cute idea to get like a little jar and put some of the dirt from where they dug our hole in. So we just went to the Dollar Tree, got this cute little jar. I originally wanted a mason jar, but this is actually gonna work out better so that we can put some vinyl on the front of it. We are unsure of what we want to put on the front for the vinyl, but we will figure out some cute saying. We also stopped at Starbucks, which I have been wanting to try this drink for so long. I forget who recommended this drink. It was someone that I follow on Instagram, but it's a iced white chocolate mocha with vanilla cold foam, sweet cold foam, and strawberry puree. And this is what it looks like. It has like a baby pink color on the top. I am not a coffee drinker. This will probably end up giving me a headache because it does have coffee in it, but the cold foam on the top with the strawberry puree tastes so yummy. I don't think I've really tasted the coffee. Probably won't like that, but if you guys are coffee drinkers, try this out. So yummy, but it is so expensive. So when he ordered it at Starbucks, I wrote him like a script on my notes on my phone because he like had no idea what to say. But when he ordered it, they said that the total was like $7 and something cents. And I was like, there's no way that it's that expensive for a tall. Sure enough, it was. Apparently adding on like the strawberry puree and stuff like that is really expensive, so they ended up giving it to us for like $5. Anyways, just wanted to show you guys what we're doing. I'll video while we are there too, getting the dirt in here, and then I'll show you guys eventually what we end up putting on the front for the vinyl. I'm staying here though. Here's progress too. So they're actually putting concrete, they're doing the foundation for 2 houses down from us. So hopefully next week we will have a foundation. So excited. All right.
Should I get different dirt?
No, it looks fine. There's our dirt from our house. We're showing the kiddos the house today. Or the hole. I feel like it looks like more of a hole today, like than what we showed before.
It's like they cleared out the sides.
Mm-hmm. Standing in the garage.
It doesn't look that big right now. It doesn't look like the house is gonna be very big.
But it's crazy, this will be the basement. Like I'm trying to imagine. It's craziness. So this is the park that's right by our house. We're bringing the kids to. You want me to push you? I know. Sit on it normal. Hello you guys. We are on our way to breakfast right now because it is this guy's birthday today. Technically it's like tomorrow because he's a leap year baby, but we're celebrating it on both days. After we get breakfast, we're gonna head over to the house because we want to see the progress that they made. We got footers put in, so I want to show you guys that and kind of document that progress since that happened. Just go around to them. This is for Duncan. But yeah, we wanted to show you guys that progress today, so we'll go show you guys that, but we're gonna eat some breakfast first. We are also going to buy our couches today, which those aren't going to be in until like July. So
there's like nothing closer.
Yeah, you can just park here. So we'll show you guys that too. We're getting them from Macy's. We're really excited about them. We're actually getting the same exact couch for upstairs and downstairs. The downstairs couch is just going to be bigger. So we'll show you guys that. And after we're done eating, we'll head over to the house. All right, they have poured the foundation. Dang, look how big it looks compared to what it looked like.
Yeah, that's what
Just,
she said.
just with the dirt. Wow, here's our garage. That's craziness.
Yeah.
Wowie wow.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Look how many like foundations are just like
hanging.
5-6 houses all at the same point. So exciting.
Oh, I'm gonna grab my phone.
It'll probably be a decent while before we get anything else done with our house, but it's kind of cool that we finally have foundation. It's craziness how they build a house.
I know.
It looks like really big now that the actual foundation is in.
Look how small our fucking yard looks though.
Whoa, I didn't even see that. What? What? Whoa, our yard looks really small. What? So we are heading over to the house again. It's March 6th. We are going to take a fun little picture. So we actually just went over to my parents' house to print off a picture of our house, and we're going to hold it up and take a picture. I saw it on Instagram, someone did it, and I thought it was a cute idea. So I'm not sure exactly how we're going to announce building a house, or I guess how I'm going to announce building a house, what I'm gonna post on social media. So I think I'm just gonna take a decent amount of pictures and then go from there. We're also going to FaceTime my cousins today. We want to tell them before we announce it publicly all over social media. So they're kind of like weirded out right now as to like why I want to FaceTime them. So they're going to be surprised, I think. But I'm excited to have like family come out and stay with us in the new house, just because there's going to be so much more room and so much more to do. They have pretty much done, they haven't like, I guess they have finished the, like, what is it called?
Foundation.
Yeah, the foundation. They just like have to backfill it, I think is what it's called. And then they'll pretty much be done with it, I guess. And then they'll start framing, but we still have quite a ways for framing to start, just from what I understand. But I'll show you guys the progress that they've made over the last week, because we were just here last weekend, and we actually cut the video, or I cut the video off kind of abruptly because we had found out about our backyard and how small it was gonna be. And then I never picked up the camera again to update you guys. So the situation with the backyard, we are a little more at ease with the whole situation. We were just kind of shocked to see how much further our house came out than all of the other houses. And so our yard is like cut in half, but our yard is gonna kind of go diagonally. So we're gonna have a bigger side as opposed to like just right out of our patio. So it won't be the biggest backyard by any means, but we're kind of just looking at it as kind of a good thing, because we won't have to pay a ton of money to landscape it, and we don't really need anything big anyways. Anything will be bigger than our current situation. We have like a little dog run right now, but it's still gonna be nice. I think once the framing starts, we'll be able to see more of how big it's going to be. So I just wanted to update you guys on that, because I feel like we kind of were really in shock, and then I never picked up the camera again. So like I said, I'll show you guys once we get the picture taken with our house. So we just got back from the house. I totally forgot to record anything, but honestly, nothing really changed from last week to this week, except for plumbing going in, which you guys probably wouldn't have even been able to see a difference. But we did FaceTime my cousins, and they were super happy, and it was kind of nice to catch up with them. Hadn't talked to them in quite a while. But I wanted to show you guys what our picture turned out. So let me go away from the window so you can see. But this is what the picture turned out as. I like it. I don't know how it's going to look on my Instagram. I kind of put it in the preview app so I could see what it would look like, but we may eventually go over. I'm hoping that by the time we announce, which, like I said, today is March 6th, and we're thinking that we want to announce publicly like maybe the 7th, the 5th to the 7th of April. We go for our final design center meeting on April 3rd, and then that'll kind of finalize everything for the inside of the house. And we have to put a down payment down for that as well. So once all that is done, I thought that would be a good time to announce to everyone. And then hopefully, because that'll be 4 weeks exactly from today, will be April 3rd. So we're hoping that by then some framing will be up, so we'll be able to like take a picture in front of it or something, but we shall see. But hopefully something will be done soon, because I feel like it's going to be a little boring for you guys. There's not going to be much to update you guys on for probably another month. So just wanted to update you guys on that, show you guys how the picture turned out. We will update you guys probably within the next couple weeks on any changes that happen.